So something I figured out with the pipe notcher is how much excess to leave for the notch to be cut. So at the moment this pipe here, I need to make it to 308 millimeters is the length of the pipe that I need. But what you leave that I've found is you need to leave about half the diameter on each end for the hole saw to do its work. So probably just under 30, so 15. So what was 308? It's really 338. I just rounded that up to 340. So what happens is if you leave it too short, set up a small tube. So if you leave not enough excess, what happens is the rotation of the hole saw is pushing that way into the tube and it bites really hard. If you leave enough excess and you get it out here, the rotation of the tube is going that way across the tube, so it makes a nice neater cut. So if I roughly set that 15 millimeters in, gives me enough room. Right there. Tighten that up. A little bit of oil. Alright. Let the whole sort of work. And it doesn't fight you as much. That one wasn't too bad. It's quite a lot of bloopers of me not getting it right. And then from here, on the throat on that end, I mark it out to the throat on this end, 308. All over it. There to there. Like that. Go back in there. Make sure it's facing the right way. Mark, tighten it up. Well, there we go. I just need to clean it up a little bit, get the burrs off it. It's good to go.
got the quad bike sitting on jack stands, which on the concrete floor is level, so everything I build, I should be able to use the spirit level to get the tubes level, and then the speed square to get them square. I decided to trim the top frame rails shorter and keep the middle section so I could just extend these tubes out either side, and then that'll become the front rail where I'll build the dash from there. Here I'm adding in another brace which will form the back of the seat. Next video we continue on with more of the seat, the galley area, the dash, the front fenders. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you've got any feedback, leave a comment. See you in the next one.